All right, JT is gonna take Grandma for a ride around the parking lot. Let's go, JT. Easy, don't kill my car. See, the brake lights even work. I don't know where he's going or what he's trying to do. Just drive around like he always does. Coasting. He's actually got his foot on the brake. Brake lights are on. He's riding the brake all the way. What are you gonna do? That's all right. JT is officially driving his grandma. Driving Miss Grandma in the parking lot. Now JT is going to drive his mom and his grandma around in the Muscle and Speed 95 Mustang. He managed to find neutral. Let's see if he finds drive. There it is. And now you're going to see a lot of brake lights. That's all right, kid. Yeah, it's an auto. I wouldn't trust him with a stick, I don't think. I tried to teach Julie how to drive that Challenger that I had. And she did okay for a little while, and then she got really flustered one day, and I started to smell burning clutch. I wasn't even yelling about it. I was just like, ooh. And she just said, nope, I'm done. I ain't doing this no more. I was like, okay, we're all done. That was right before I got rid of it. Yeah, mine was too, and I think it should be, but we'll see. They were telling him to touch the gas. There you are. Now keep going. Do one more loop and have him come back around by the Cutlass. No. My mom's never done that before. Sat on the back of a convertible. No, this car I actually, when I first saw it, I tried to convince Julie to let me just buy it and have it. Like I wanted it. She wouldn't do it, so we ended up getting it for the company. So it's going to end up being a flip, sadly. Hey, which do you like better? Yeah.
I like sitting on the back of a convertible.
I bet you do. He can come away from my car. Come this way. Turn this way. Just a little. Just a little. And you can stop anywhere there. Park. Turn it off. Good job, JT. You didn't kill anybody.